Morning guys, back on the RV. A few little problems we can sort out. One of the issues we've had is Sammy hasn't got a mirror so she can do her hair with. So we've got an old frame, the mirror going in there, and she'll be playing with the ball.
Shelby!
So what we've done is painted it black. I like the idea of the rough effect on it. So what we're going to do is put the glass back in it, and we're going to hang it in the RV for Sammy. And this is the mirror that's going to go in the back of the frame. What we're going to do is just place it in there, and then to stop the mirror from moving, I'm taking some tack nails, and what I'm going to do is go around each side of the mirror and place tacks on. Just so the mirror won't work, so I'll come back to you in a minute when I've finished that. Okay, there you go. We've actually now sealed the back in. Just put some masking tape on the back to seal it as well. Those are tack nails, just in case anybody's wondering how to take the tack nails out. Just get a pair of pliers and just pull them out straight away. Let me turn that over like that. Oop. There you go. On beautifully restored mirror, so Sam can actually see herself and do her hair.
Awesome. And the beautiful Shelby.
Oh, and Shelby. I'm surprised she hasn't attacked herself. We're going to go and hang it now. Okay. Right. This is the place where Sam wants the mirror. Obviously we can't hang it the conventional way, so what we're doing is screwing it into the wall with some black screw heads, and that should stop it from rattling about when we've got the 4 screws in each corner. The original plan was to use some stainless steel ones, but I think the black ones look better. Okay, there you go guys. There's one we were installed. What we've done is fixed it with 4 screws in each corner, but Sammy now should be able to do her hair and look at what she's wearing, and job's a good one. There you go, the little tray that Sammy wanted for a tea and sugar. The holes are slightly bigger than what they should be, but you can see from there how it fits. But I'm thinking just a bit of blue tack on the bottom of there, place it on there, and it'll stop it from moving about, but it's all in situ, it can't fall out anyway. Nice idea from Sammy.
I like
Oh, by the way guys, just in case you want them, made to order, not a problem at all. Right, I'm just in the proceeds of making another chopboard for the RV. We had a bit of spare wood left over. As I said before, don't throw it away guys, because you never know when they're going to come in use. I'm just sanding this one down, finished off with a fine sand, and then Sammy's got another one. I'm not sure where this one's going. I think it's by the sink, but we'll find out in a bit. So I'll come back to you in a bit guys. Right, there we go. There's the end product. The last time you see me was sanding it down, but that's now finished. My famous line is it's now in situ. But it'd be interesting to see what you guys think in your comments below regarding the chopboard again, and the tray that's holding the tea, the sugar, and the what's bowls that? That's a bowl for a tea bag, isn't it? So it'd be interesting to see what you guys think. Leave a comment below guys. It'd be interesting to see your thoughts, and if you want any of this stuff made, contact John directly. I'm sure we'll be able to get it sorted out. But there you go guys, another little short video, and I hope you enjoy.